Hello and welcome back to AI News Connect. I'm Marvin, here to bring you the latest, most significant updates from the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into an important development that could shape the trajectory of AI adoption and regulation in the United States. The Trump administration has issued a new set of AI memoranda and an executive order mandating transformative changes in how federal agencies acquire, deploy, and govern artificial intelligence. On April 3, 2025, two landmark memoranda, M2521 and M2522, were rolled out by the administration. These policies are poised to have sweeping effects across both the public sector and industries working closely with the federal government. Let's break down what's in these memos and why they matter to every American. First, the M2521 memorandum, titled Accelerating Federal Use of AI Through Innovation, focuses squarely on promotion of AI-driven solutions underpinned by American innovation and oversight. Agencies are now directed to maximize the adoption of American-developed AI technologies when seeking new solutions. This places domestic innovation at the heart of government procurement and deployment, potentially giving U.S. AI companies a substantial advantage in government contracts. What's different about this policy is its approach to accountability and risk management. There's now a special emphasis on tracking what the memo terms high-impact AI use cases. Essentially, those projects and deployments with heightened implications for citizen rights or safety. Federal agencies are now required to perform maturity assessments of their AI adoption, mapping out current capabilities and gaps. If agencies can't meet minimum practices for high-impact AI by April 2026, they will have to discontinue those projects. This is a strong statement about the importance of not just using AI, but using it responsibly and within a robust governance framework. A key part of this oversight involves the designation of agency chief AI officers, individuals charged with championing innovation, ensuring compliance with the new mandates, and reporting on AI progress. This move aims to embed AI expertise directly into agency leadership, accelerating adoption while keeping ethical and operational standards in focus. Moving on to the second memorandum, M2522, driving efficient acquisition of artificial intelligence. This one targets how the government buys AI technology. It includes specific new provisions to ensure that agencies do not fall victim to vendor lock-in, a long-standing headache where organizations become dependent on a single provider's technology, making future changes or competition difficult and costly. To address this, the memo requires agencies to include contractual terms on knowledge transfer, portability of data and models, licensing clarity, and transparent pricing. In practical terms, this means that any system built for the government must be built with flexibility in mind. The data, the AI models, and even the code need to be transferable and modifiable if another vendor is brought in down the line. Privacy, security, and ethics are also getting attention. The memo raises the bar for how AI systems handle sensitive and personal data, mandating compliance with privacy laws and policies at every step. But perhaps most notably, agencies must now continually test and monitor AI systems even after deployment, looking out for issues related to fairness, transparency, and unintended outcomes. Importantly, agencies must also clearly state in their procurement documents whether the planned AI system meets the definition of a high-impact use case. This brings visibility to which projects require the strictest levels of oversight and conversation, both internally and with vendors. So, why does this matter? Simply put, these federal policies will ripple out to impact every organization hoping to do business with the U.S. government, from tech startups to global consultancies. There's now a premium on transparency, ethical design, flexibility, and strong technical documentation. For AI developers and service providers, these rules could become templates for best practices in the private sector as well. The memos also address the growing national and international calls for responsible AI. As adoption accelerates, the U.S. is placing itself at the forefront of AI governance, embedding ethical principles into the very contracts and processes that will build the next wave of government services. What comes next? Agencies will be racing to assess their current AI solutions, reviewing whether their high-impact projects meet the new minimum standards, and reporting on progress. Companies supplying AI systems to the government will have to align their practices with these new contracting and operational requirements, potentially leading to major changes in how AI systems are built and supported for public use. AI's integration into government is only accelerating, and with these policy steps, the stakes, both for benefits and risks, are higher than ever. We'll be keeping a close watch on the implementation of these memos and reporting on the impact across industry, the public sector, and the daily lives of Americans. That's it for today's in-depth update on the Trump administration's sweeping new AI policies. What do you think about these federal moves? Will they help or hinder AI innovation in the US? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this report and want to stay ahead on the latest in AI, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI News Connect, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss another update. And please share this video to spread the word about important changes in AI policy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.